Welcome to 117 Hickory Hill Drive in beautiful Palencia, St. Augustine. Now this is not just a Mediterranean retreat. This is a full-blown experience. I can't wait to show you. So let's go on inside. This home is anything but ordinary. With 23-foot ceilings in the great room, every inch of the space is built to impress. The kitchen, fully remodeled and ready for serious cooking or serious entertaining. Gorgeous marble countertops, a massive island with prep sink, double ovens, a gas range with a custom hood, and a walk-in pantry. And yes, there's even a built-in wine cellar. Just outside, you'll find your own private paradise, a lush landscape backyard with a screened pool, spa, waterfall, double-sided fireplace, and a full Florida kitchen. It's peaceful, it's private, and it's perfect. The first floor primary suite is oversized and indulgent, with direct views of the pool, a cozy sitting area, and a spa bath with a gigantic jacuzzi tub. There's another bedroom suite and a private office downstairs with beautiful bamboo floors, ideal for guests or multi-generational living. Upstairs you'll find 3 more spacious bedrooms, each with their own bathroom, plus a wet bar, built-in cabinetry, and not 1, but 2 large verandas overlooking the outdoor retreat below. All of this is tucked into one of the most desirable areas in Northeast Florida, just minutes from the Intercoastal, top-rated schools, and historic downtown St. Augustine. 117 Hickory Hill isn't just a home, it's a lifestyle, a rare blend of privacy, luxury, and space in one of Florida's most sought-after communities. This home isn't just showing off, it is living at a different level. Reach out to me anytime for a private tour.